Welcome to Dolomiti Fruits, based in northern Italy. Since 2008, we have been your trusted partner for NFC juices and purees. From apples, pears, stone fruit and berries, we transform everything here at our facility, surrounded by nature and the high peaks of the Dolomites. Our state-of-the-art aseptic filling line transforms premium produce into high-quality juices and purees. All of our products are available in conventional, organic, baby food and biodynamic quality. With innovative technology, we pasteurize the product only once, preserving its natural flavors, colors and nutrients, capturing the true essence of nature. We are specialized in private labels, providing a wide range of packaging solutions. Our experienced R&D team collaborates to create your desired recipes that ensures safety of the products. Our packaging solutions cater to every need. From convenient 100-gram squeezes to 3-liter bag-in-box to 210-kilogram drums and even larger 1,250-kilogram containers. Whether small or large, we've got you covered. Our quality team is dedicated to ensuring every product is safe, meets the highest standards, and delivers exceptional quality for our customers and end consumers. We hold certifications that reflect our commitment to quality, including organic, Demeter, FDA, Bioland, BioSwiss, kosher and halal. Whatever your requirements, we meet the highest international standards. At Dolomiti Fruits, our mission is clear: to meet our client needs completely, delivering safe, high-quality products on time. Dolomiti Fruits, the taste of nature.